Are you ready to unlock the hidden potential of your home? Imagine transforming your property into a valuable asset that not only captivates potential buyers, but also significantly boosts your investment. If you're wondering how to increase your property value quickly, you're in the right place. We are bighomeprojects.com. We built a directory to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and help contractors find work. Today, we'll explore 7 impactful home improvements that can elevate your home's appeal and resale potential. The stakes are high and every decision matters. Let's dive in. Number 1. Garage door replacement. Picture this. A sleek new garage door not only enhances curb appeal, but can also return nearly 194% of its cost at resale. It's a smart investment that makes a lasting impression. Choosing an insulated model can save on energy bills too, making it a win-win. Number 2. Manufactured stone veneer. Want to make your home's exterior pop? Adding manufactured stone veneer can dramatically increase its value, often recouping more than 100% of the initial investment. Focus on entryways for maximum visual impact and hire a skilled contractor to ensure quality installation. Number 3. Entry door replacement with steel. A sturdy steel entry door can boost your home's security and energy efficiency while recouping nearly 200% of its cost. Investing between $1,015 and $2,200 for this upgrade will make your home more appealing to buyers. Number 4. Siding replacement. Old siding dragging down your property's charm? Replacing it with new vinyl or fiber cement siding can refresh your home's look and recover about 80% of your investment. Choose trendy colors to catch buyers' eyes, and consult a local real estate agent for the best options in your area. Number 5. Landscaping and curb appeal. Never underestimate the power of a well-manicured yard. Smart landscaping can yield up to a staggering 217% cost recovery. Focus on native plants for low maintenance and sustainability, adding beautiful flower beds and trees to create an inviting atmosphere. Number 6. Fresh paint. A fresh coat of paint can work wonders. Whether it's interior or exterior, painting can rejuvenate your home at costs ranging from $970 to $13,000. Opt for neutral colors to appeal to the widest audience, helping prospective buyers envision their personal style. Number 7. Adding usable square footage. Want to make a significant impact? Consider adding square footage. Costs range from $80 to $200 per square foot, but the increase in livable space can elevate your home's value and attract buyers looking for extra rooms like offices or bedrooms. Now, imagine this. You've made these upgrades, transforming your property into a sought-after gem in the market. But beware of common pitfalls. Failing to research local market trends or underestimating costs can lead to costly mistakes. For anyone looking to take their home improvement projects to the next level, visit bighomeprojects.com. Our platform connects you with trusted contractors who can help bring your vision to life. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your home's value. The journey starts today.